Hello, friends. This is an address regarding those who have recently engaged our community at whatistheplan.org. These individuals claim to be anonymous in the purpose of discrediting our community and what we stand for. They threaten us with demands and state that if their demands are not met, they will attack us and attempt to document our members and community. They use divide and conquer tactics that are disturbingly similar to the tactics used by CONTELPRO and government agencies. They have created lies, misinformation and rumors and have attempted to infiltrate our community. I will address their claims as listed. 1. Our site is run by feds and we are tracking people and their information. Answer. These claims are both humorous and ironic. Humorous because the founder of the site is not in any way affiliated with the government. The community itself is completely legal and participates in activism that is within legal bounds. Our members have no reason to worry, for we are not criminals. Ironic, because these same individuals who are making these claims are threatening to document and release information on members of our community. Administrator metadata has already been documented and, guess what folks, nothing there. Why? Because we are all here for the same reason. Freedom. The defense of it and a pursuit for it. Nothing more. Metadata did, however, lose his job because of these attacks due to the release and abuse of his employer's telephone number. 2. The site is censoring information by requiring registration to access information and deleting posts. Answer. Even after the site has been opened up for public viewing, these individuals continue with the same claims. Registration is not required to view information. Registration is required to post simply because we are having enough cases of ignorant trolling from the likes of these people already. Registration gives us a means to keep our community organized and on track for what we are working toward. The only posts that are deleted are those that violate community guidelines. Most offensive, trolling posts are simply moved to the basement for the trolls. Others are merged with live topics. All actions by our moderators are addressed with a post explaining why. Our community moderators have guidelines for which they are expected to follow. Violations against our community and the members will be dealt with accordingly. We do not tolerate abuse of moderator privileges and these matters will be watched more carefully from here on out. 3. Torrent VPNs do not work. Answer. For weeks now, most VPNs do work. Tor has been confirmed to work with Foxy proxy if configured correctly. Anonymity is in fact possible if one should desire. 4. Profit. Answer. Our site is by no means for profit. Any idea of this is absolutely ridiculous. As stated before, metadata has lost his job due to the circumstances. If anything, money is being lost, not gained. Donations have gone to the forum and the community and transparency was prevalent until the attacks began. Our shop carries limited merchandise for what is the plan and profit is taxed in the administrator's name. Proceeds assist in the community. For weeks now, our donate button has been removed even prior to Operation PayPal. Some have mentioned that we accept PayPal in our shop, and that is by the settings of CAF Press. They have it set up for PayPal credit card payments. That does not mean we support it or use it. Also on the subject of these matters, we do not push our merchandise on our members. It is there if they want it and if not, we do not care. We have a small button in one area of the site. This is not Infowars.com. Please get your facts straight and use logic. These attacks are absurd and we will not be bullied by imposters. They claim we censor people, yet they threaten to censor our entire community. They claim we are gathering information on members, yet they threaten to document our members, moderators and administrators. They claim we are here for profit because in the past we accepted donations and to the shop selling merchandise for our website and community, yet in and out themselves as well as why we protest still to this day accept PayPal donations. They claim that this website is run by the government with no supporting information and without taking the time to discuss anything with the website administrators. These claims have no grounds and by doing so, they are no better than the oppressive tyrants that we stand against and oppose. What we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is hypocrisy. Many of these threats and attacks are trickling over from Nanots IRC, and it is a common known fact that this server has been overrun with feds. We are facing a massive smear campaign full of lies, misinformation, divide and conquer tactics and Control Pro. If Nanots does not address these problems, their house will collapse. This is not our wishes, and we need the help of those who administrate Nanots to clean out this rodent infestation. Our community is genuine. Our cause is pure and our motives are righteous. The bullying and threats will not be tolerated. Our intelligence has long since begun to be gathered on these attackers. It is up to each individual of our community to promote a civil and direct response to any attempt to divide our community and disrupt our cause. We have work to do and we need to maintain focus. Our unity is strong, but we need to continue to build that bond. Stay vigilant, continue educating yourself, and come together as a community to stand against this oppressive force. We have maintained course, it is important that we continue to do so. We are anonymous, united as one, divided by zero. They have been exposed. Expect us.